Job here. I want to show you apartment here in Cork. 2 panels in this room. We've kitted out this apartment, a couple of rooms upstairs, 3 bedrooms, a hallway, a landing, a bedroom, 3 bedrooms, sorry, a kitchen diner, and this is the sitting room. 2 heaters in here. Because of the size of the room, we've put in 2 rather than 1 big one because of the size of the area. You can see over my head, frees up all space. Client was using convector electric rads, found them, didn't like the quality of the air from them. Put in the infrared, very happy, very pleased. They're non-intrusive, they're up out of the way. Obviously I'm zooming in on them now, but you don't see them when you come into the room. You can see there's some night spots around it. Why did the client install infrared panels? They're maintenance free, hassle free, turn them on, they heat within a minute. Convenience, they're on a phone, you can control the app. Records energy consumption so you can see how much electric each room is using. They last for 30 years. They have a 15-year guarantee. Once they go in, you're not ringing anybody to come and service, do anything with them. And they free up all space, and they're very slim, non-intrusive. They're 20 mil thick. They're made from a powder coated finish, and they have insulation on the back, and the heating element sits in there and radiates the heat. So another happy client moving to infrared. For more information, check out our website, infraredheat.ie.